Dear colleagues, many of you here in couloirs, you ask me, how is life in Ukraine now? I want to show you. First, remember please, how did you wake up this morning? Remembered? I want to show you how Ukrainians woke up this morning. Millions of Ukrainians, including my children, woke up like this morning, and many mornings during this almost 1 year, and new victims already in Ukraine. And we are meeting here for the 5th time from the start of this awful war, aggression, invasion, and Ukraine continues to bleed. Yes, we need new Nuremberg against new Nazis, yes, but first, to may have a Nuremberg, Nazis should be defeated. Before Nuremberg happened, Nazis were defeated in 20th century. And before new Nuremberg will happen, new Nazis should be defeated. That's the first thing. That's why, when here was Minister Baerbock, and she said, that's not a good place to speak about weaponry, when we asked her several times. We're here for peace and justice. But you can't achieve peace without weaponry today, because there is war. You can't achieve peace by demilitarizing, like we're making recommendations and resolutions today. Yes, we are very thankful for all tanks we received. Finally, there is this decision. Thanks for tanks. Danke schön. But before the start of the invasion, Russia had more than 13,000 tanks. 13,000. You can't stop Russian tanks by recommendations, words, resolutions, and other things. You need tanks, and not 12, not 31, not 50. And today the dove of peace is F-16 for Ukraine, is Gripen for Ukraine, is the fighters for Ukraine. So we should do this now. Now. The winter is not coming. Winter already is here. And if we want peace now in Europe, everybody, I invite you to come to Ukraine. All those politicians in Europe who were not in Ukraine for the moment, I think you are not right. You should come and see everything by your own eyes. No resolutions but weaponry. No speaking but weaponry. No debates but weaponry. Weaponry today to stop the evil. And after this, new Nuremberg. Thank you.
Thank you, Alexei. Next in the debate, I call Mr. Indrek Saar from Estonia. Indrek, you have the floor.